Hi, this is Colleen McMahon, Century 21 Crest. I'm here today at 335 Union Ave in Bloomingdale, New Jersey. We're just going to do a quick tour. We have about 104 acres, and it is absolutely beautiful. We have farm assessed in the back. Actually, it's forestry in the back 80 acres. And right before you here was the old paddocks and horse rings. To the left you have a nice pond there. As you can see, it's going to be a beautiful sunset tonight. Yeah. So as we go to the right here, you're going to see the barn and some stalls. So currently there's just one horse in the barn, but it does have a full second floor loft, which is really beautiful up there. Running water, and then you also have some pony stalls here to the left. But for now, we're going to go inside and we're going to do a tour of the house, and then we'll come back out and we'll just walk down below to show you some of the grounds. So on this level, you do have the open floor plan, living room, kitchen, dining area. Very nice and neutral colors. As you can see, very bright and sunny. So any time of day you're sitting out and the views here are just absolutely magnificent. Okay, Father, we're going to go in to see the master bedroom and full bath. So this used to be combined a 3-bedroom on this level, but they took 1 bedroom out years ago to make this massive bathroom. So this is the size of a bedroom. Loads of closets, and you can see a lot of natural sunlight here. I'll tell you, there's really very limited lights that I have on today. Conveniently located, this is right off of Route 287 for easy access. It is at the right at the Union Ave and Ringwood Ave exit. So the uniqueness of the property, it can handle a multitude of different uses, whether you want to do your own business, horses, raise, any kind of animal, forestry, growing, greenhouses. You have a full bath here. Sorry, there's a little humming there. Okay, wow, look at the sun, huh? Woo. Unbelievable. All right, we're going to go back outside so you get a good idea of a little bit of the barn and the grounds. Lower level, you have 1 bedroom and another full bathroom and storage and utilities. And out here, you can see the property goes way, way, way in the back, of course, but you do have a small cottage there, which is a 1 bedroom, little kitchenette, bathroom, nice fireplace. And then beyond that, to the right, there's two actual trailers there that some of the hands here live in. One here and then one in the back part too. In the way back, there's some guys that come and do some chipping and mowing the lawns and taking care of the grounds as well. So here you do have one of the fenced in areas for the horse. The newer roof is on the barn as well. Like I said, you're going to have a beautiful sunset here. It's gorgeous, right? So we will take appointments. We do need to schedule with some of the ranch guys that live here. If you're interested in coming and taking a look. Again, it's a very unique property. There are some restrictions with the Highlands, which there's some different scenarios and different situations, exemptions, which could pull the house and the land out separately. Plenty of wildlife. You got lots of deer that live here, foxes, and I'm sure some other kind of wild animals here. Who knew that you'd have this kind of acreage in Bloomingdale? So for now, if you have any additional questions or are interested in taking a look, please give me a call, 973-646-7419. Again, Colleen McMahon, Century 21 Crest, 973-646-7419. I hope you enjoyed your tour. Thanks. Bye-bye.